We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hey there YouTubers, it's your girl Brett over here at Onyx. Today I'm going to show you the common causes of a paper jam, and I'm working with a Brother MFC 7460DN. So these are just a few tips and tricks that you can do to eliminate paper jams. You have this guide right here. This needs to be in the correct position of the size of paper that you're using. You don't want it too tight or too loose. It actually will lock in place. And then you have guides on this side. You would move this if you're like printing on labels or even envelopes. Just make sure it is in the correct position for the size of media that you are using. You have these little tabs right here, and these are called your max level indicators. You never want to fill over that. If you do, it's going to be really hard for the printer to pick up the paper and result causing jams. Another thing that I like to do, instead of just taking my new paper and just sticking it in my tray, a lot of times it is not aligned. And if it's not completely aligned, the printer could pick up some different pieces of paper than the top one and result causing a jam. So what I like to do is take my old paper, my new paper, stick it together, and then fan it out. I like to do this because we live in Oklahoma and there's a lot of condensation and humidity in the air, and that sometimes can make the pages stick together. So if you fan it out, it just eliminates that. Fan it out, and then you want to align it all together, stick it in your tray, and you should be good. If you do these tricks, it definitely will help eliminate some paper jams. If you're consistently seeing paper jams and you're trying these tricks and you keep clearing the jams, it's probably time to put your printer in for a service. If you're in need of any supplies or quotes, give your girl Brett a call and have a great day.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.